Welcome to my weekly Fabricate Friday video on my YouTube channel and blog. I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Canada. Today's video is all about paper crafting. I'm here to share how easy it is to make a 3D project. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial, and I would love to see you shop with me. Hey everybody, this is a cubed lidded box that I'm going to share with you today. Super cute. This was made with mint macaron, and I had a fun embellishment. I just did a couple layers. So I cut a piece of mint macaron with the circle dies, and then I added a white circle in there, and then I just popped it up with foam adhesive. Anyway, that was super fun to do, but I'm not going to show you how to do that. But I am going to show you how to create an insert in a cubed box, and this is a hair product called Dry Mud. It is for my best friend who is looking after my kitties when I'm away. So he will get two little gifts in pretty boxes because, you know, I don't do anything simple. And he won't take money for looking after the kittens when I'm away. So this paper is called Garden Lane. But the paper that I'm going to use for the example I'm going to show you today is called See a Silhouette. All right, so I will get started. This is Night of Navy cardstock, and you need one piece, 8.5 by 8.5, and we're going to score it at 2.5 on all four sides. This is a simple build. It's my favorite build of boxes, because it's really easy. Okay, so for the insert, we are going to use a 5 by 5 inch piece of, this is Night of Navy, and I'm going to score 3/4 on all four sides. Okay, so that's our insert. So hang 10, and we'll cut a circle out shortly. For our lid, we're going to use the Box Maker shim. You can find that at Connie Stewart's Simply Simple Stamping website. Or YouTube channel. She has, just type in the search bar Box Maker shim, because this is what I'm using, and I'm going to score at 3/4 of an inch on all four sides. So this is just like your insert. All right, so this is the lid. I'm putting it off a side. All right, so this is my insert. So what I did to find the insert is I took my tub, and then just with my layering circles, I kind of went, is that gonna fit? Nope, that's too tight. Is this gonna fit? Yep, and decently loosely too. So that's how I figured that out. So now I'm just going to put, before I score everything and all of that, I'm just going to put that in the center. I'm going to use a little bit of washi tape to hold it in place while I move it to my big shot. So one tip that I can tell you is to tape on the inside. And that way, in case the washi tape rips the paper, it's not ripping your project. All right, I'm gonna run this through the big shot, and I'll be right back. Doop. Okay, so I'm gonna use this somewhere else. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this, but I'll use it again. Okay, so now I have these 3 sheets. I'm going to burnish all of my score lines. Okay, for cutting, I'm going to start with this guy because this is the easiest. All I'm going to do is lop that corner off, or sorry, that square off. Doesn't have to be perfect, doesn't have to be, you just want that insert, yeah, just like that. So these little bits and pieces, gone. For the lid, we're not so lucky. So I'm going to wedge my little tabs out, and honestly, it doesn't matter how you wedge them. You can do the pinwheel, which I usually do. So you can have it like that. But definitely we're going to do the pinwheel on this one. So the pinwheel cutting method is cutting down the score line, wedging out to the score line, and wedging out there. Then just turn it once. And then we're going to do the same on this side. So straight down, wedge, wedge, and then turn. And the reason why we do this is because it's going to add stability to the box. That's one reason. The second reason, it's going to add equal bulk along. So not one side is going to be bulkier than the other. And the inside looks more finished. Okay, so now all we have to do is put adhesive. I like to put adhesive along the score line and then along the free edge. So that's what I'm gonna do here. So what you can do is put a little dab of adhesive on, say, 2 of the sides of your insert, if you want. All right, let's put it together. I'm going to take my free edge here up to this score line, and then this one, and then this one, and then the last one. And if you scored everything right, you cut everything right, it should all make a beautiful little cube. Just adhering everything down. Now, this guy gets to be plunked right in the center, and it's a nice snug fit. And if you did put, whoopsies, if you did put adhesive in it, you'll want to press that down so it doesn't pop back off. So there we go, that's nice and secure. Let's put this guy in there, fits perfectly. And then this is the lid. So the free edge goes up to the score line. It's a super snug fit too, right? If the product wasn't in there, I would be able to put this lid on and not shake the lid off. So that's what the box maker shim does. So thanks to Connie Stewart who invented that. Now I always like to go, around the boxes, and I see here that I haven't cut super correctly, so I'm going to trim that off, making sure everything's good. Yeah. Okay, so now for my pieces of papier. So you need 4 little strips that are 3 1/4 by 1/2. So this is for the lid. And then the inside piece is 1 1/2 by 3 1/4. And if you can see, what I've done here, this is one full pattern, and I've just cut like the 1/2 inch off so that this pattern is continuous. The inside piece here is 3 1/4 by 3 1/4, and the Whisper White thick piece is 3 3/8 by 3 3/8. And I just thought I would add just a little bit of something something. So those are the 2 boxes. One has a funky top. I like that one. And then one I think I'm gonna leave that plain. And my friend can use this box however he would like. Anyway, thank you so much. Of course, all the information is on my blog. I'd love for you to follow me down there, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.